It is 11:05 on this Thursday. Good Thursday morning once again, everybody. It's Alan here with you on Pilihan FM Radio, Bruna. And right now, by the way, we are joined by Ms. Pilihan, who is the Officer 1 of Compliance and International Affairs Division from the Safety, Health and Environment National Authority, better known as SHENA. You've heard this name, and she is here this morning to tell us about the Workplace Safety and Health Conference 2024. Lots in store. So you know what? Let's jump right into it right now because we've got a whole lot to talk to. Good morning. How are you today?
Good morning. I'm good today.
Great to hear that. Thank you for taking the time to join us. So we, of course, said that, we are going to be talking about this Workplace Safety and Health Conference 2024. But you know what? Let's go first and foremost on the theme for this year's celebration, because I believe, like other events out there, you have a particular theme set for the 2024 conference. Is that correct?
Yes, it's correct.
Okay, so take it away and tell me more about this.
So, the World Day for Safety and Health at Work is celebrated globally every year on the 28th of April. This global event was first launched by the International Labour Organization, or ILO, in 2003. So the purpose of this World Day for Safety and Health at Work is to promote the prevention of occupational accidents and diseases on a global scale. Among other things, it serves as a campaign to raise awareness in promoting a culture of safety and health, which is hoped to help reduce the number of deaths, injuries, and work-related illnesses. So we want to highlight that to achieve a significant decrease in death, injuries, and work-related illnesses is a team effort. It is not the effort of just one party. So let me break down the efforts. So SHENA, as the statutory body of the government, plays a critical role in ensuring safe working conditions by providing legal framework through laws like the Workplace Safety and Health Order 2009 and the regulations under it. So these laws set the standards for safety and health at work. So our focus here, will also extend to the development of national policies regarding safety and health at work and programs including inspection systems in the enforcement of this law to ensure compliance with workplace safety and health. So meanwhile, as the employer, they have a crucial role in creating a safe and healthy workplace as stipulated in Section 12 of the Workplace Safety and Health Order 2009. So, of course, as workers themselves, they play a role in on safety. It is indeed their duty to work safely, protect themselves, and avoid endangering others. So workers should be aware of their rights related to safety and health, because understanding these rights empowers them to actively participate in preventive measures. So the theme for this year for World Day Safety and Health will be the theme focusing on exploring the effects of climate change on occupational safety and health. Observing the change in weather patterns provides a significant impact on the work role and affects the safety and health of workers indirectly. For example, examples of occupational risks caused by climate change include heat stress, UV radiation, air pollution, major industrial accidents, extreme weather events, increased vector-borne diseases such as dengue, and also increased exposure to chemicals. So for instance, let's consider a recent situation in Brunei. So last month and even sometime around now, we encountered excessive hot weather, marked in red on the meteorological chart, where the maximum daily temperature reached at least 35 degrees Celsius for 3 consecutive days. This has raised concerns for some workers exposed in environments such as the construction and agricultural sectors.
Yeah, I think it's great that you've pointed that out, because oftentimes we tend to forget that these people are working directly under the sunlight in those extreme conditions.
Correct.
And they themselves should be accorded protection as well, right?
Yes.
So it's always good that you guys have that. Now, let's go back to the conference itself, though, because I'm more interested, of course, to find out what you guys have in store, which will be happening very, very soon, I would imagine, right? So what kind of activities have you guys lined up as part of the conference for this year then?
Right, thank you. So I'm excited to share some exciting updates from SHENA. So this year we are making some changes in how we organize the event in conjunction with the World Day for Safety and Health at Work. We are proud to announce that SHENA will be hosting the Workplace Safety and Health Conference, or WSHCON for short, over a span of 2 days. But that's not all. We are also hosting a 2-day exhibition featuring an impressive lineup of approximately 20 booths by multiple agencies. So this diverse representation will provide a comprehensive perspective on workplace safety and health, fostering a rich and enlightening experience for all attendees. So now let me share the details. The exhibition and conference for the World Day for Safety and Health at Work will be held at the International Convention Center, ICC Berakas, from the 30th 30th of April to the 1st of May 2024 from 8 a.m. in the morning to 5 p.m. So the exhibition and conference are open to the public. So this means that if you're the employer, workers, professional health and safety members such as the workplace safety and health officers, workplace safety and health coordinators, consultants, or even students are welcome to join. So if you're interested in attending the conference, do make sure to reserve the slot. We are currently promoting the RSVP on SHENA's website and social media platforms. And here's the best part. Attendance at this conference is free. So don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. So in the upcoming WSHCON 2024 conference, there will be 8 sessions focused on workplace safety and health, including a special theme on the impact of climate change on worker safety and health. What's even more exciting is that our first panel session will feature international panel members, specially brought in from the International Labour Organization, or ILO, including Dr. Yuka Yujita, which is a specialist in workplace safety and health. So among other topics that will be discussed includes the role of employer groups in workplace safety and health and how to culture safety and health. Both of these sessions will also be joined by panel members specially brought in from the Ministry of Manpower Singapore and also representative from the Workplace Safety and Health Council Singapore. Furthermore, we will be highlighting challenging topics such as occupational diseases, which are often difficult to diagnose and lack public awareness. We will also discuss issues like balancing workload and the risk of working at heights, which is a leading cause of workplace death in Brunei Darussalam. We are very excited to feature a mix of local and international speakers. Through this platform, it is also hoped that Brunei Darussalam can learn best practices from other countries.
Now, just before I ask you how people can join for both the exhibition as well as the conference, I think that one of the keywords you said there was free. This is absolutely free for everybody to join in. So anybody who's tuning in, like you said, in the HSE field or maybe a consultant can just sign up and go for this, right? Now, I'll also ask you about your social media handles in just a bit. But first and foremost, so that people can just go there and refer to more details. But first and foremost, if anybody who is listening in right now and say, you know what, I would love to drop by and be part of this conference, how do they sign up for this?
So yes, the general public can actually register the conference through SHENA website at www.shena.gov.bn/events with an S. Alternatively, you can find this in the main page of SHENA's website. So, like you mentioned earlier on, whether you're an employer, an employee, or simply someone passionate about health and safety, there's something at the conference for you. Together, we can build safer and healthier workplaces for everyone. And here's an added bonus. You stand a chance to win exciting rewards. We are conducting prize giveaways in each session and a grand giveaway for all attendees and exhibition visitors.
You make it even sweeter for all the attendees out there who possibly can join you. Now, also, one of the other things, as we said, maybe you can share the social media handles as well that people can drop off to if you're aware of it at the top of your head? Both on Instagram, I believe?
It's just on Instagram and the main SHENA's webpage.
Okay, so they just have to search for it and they'll be able to go there and get more information and more details from there as well, right? Yeah. Now, one more question, just very quickly before we wrap things up. You mentioned that the conference, now the conference will be part of the exhibition, or is that going to be a separate standalone event?
It is part of the conference.
Right, so it's going to be on the 30th of April and the 1st of May.
Correct.
Okay, great. Gotcha. Now, of course, like I said, if they do have any further questions and so on and so forth, they can always just drop off to the website or just on social media to get you guys, right?
Yes.
Now, finally, what would you like to tell our listeners when it comes to this conference and in particular workplace safety and health? Because there is a growing concern that, we need to look and address at all these more than before, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah. So what would you say to that?
So just to reiterate some of the things I've mentioned earlier. So the key to a safer and healthier workplace lies in collective action and shared responsibility. So it's crucial that all three parties, which is the government, employers, and workers, work together to bring about a change, with each one plays a vital role in creating a safe and healthy work environment. So back to the conference. So if you're thrilled about the Workplace Safety and Health Conference, or WSHCON 2024 for short, just like us, don't hesitate and register now. So keep an eye on our social media channels for more details about the conference in the upcoming weeks. So this conference is wonderful chance to gain insights about workplace safety and health and provides an opportunity to engage, learn, and network. So we are eager to share this with you. See you there.
All right. Well, we hope to find out more from you guys as well about this conference after it's done. Maybe you can drop by in and tell us a little bit more about what happened. Ms. Ong Pei-yin, who is the Officer 1 Compliance and International Affairs Division from the Safety, Health, and Environment National Authority, SHENA, talking to us about the Workplace Safety and Health Conference 2024. 11:15. This is Pilihan FM.